welcome back to another Computer Sluggish video. Have you subscribed to my YouTube channel yet? If not, be sure to click on the big red subscribe button and click on the bell to get notified when I upload a new video. Also, don't forget to check out my social media channels. In today's video, I will be showing you how to change the name of your computer in Windows 10. To start off with, first you need to open up File Explorer. And once you have, you then need to right click on this PC and click on Properties. We now need to click on Change Settings on the right hand side underneath Computer Name, Domain and Work Group Settings. And you now have Computer Description. You can type anything in for the computer description. For example, if your computer's in the kitchen, you can put kitchen computer, or you can also put lounge computer. You can put whatever you want. I'm just going to put bedroom computer. You now need to press apply, and we can now click on change next to rename this computer. Click change. You now have computer name. This is the name that your computer will show up as on the local network or on the domain, depending on what network you're on. I'm just going to take a H off the end of my name, and you can now press OK to save the computer name, and you need to press OK again, and you now need to press close. And for the changes to take effect, you need to restart your computer. And once you have, your new name will show up on your local network or on your domain. I hope this tutorial has helped. If it has, hit the like button below and subscribe for more computer sluggish tutorials. Don't forget to check out my social channels.